Before an SA900 Trust and Estates form can be submitted, the Trust will need to be registered with HMRC and have its own UTR and Government Gateway credentials. Further information on this is available via the HMRC website. The SA900 web form is now available on your dashboard. To open a new SA900 web form, click the red New button on your dashboard. If you have previously allocated a credit using a PDF SA900 form, the same credit will work for the web form. In this case, click Select Existing Client and choose a client from the drop-down list. If this is a new return, enter the name of the trust and the trust's UTR. Enter the period from and to dates. The form will automatically tell you which year you need to buy a credit for. If you already have a credit, click Credit. Once the credit has been allocated, you can close the form if you wish. It will be available via the Web Forms tab on your dashboard. Please note that web forms are only supported for periods ending on or after the 7th of April 2022. For early returns, please use the PDF form. All Ftax web forms have an overview page to guide you through the process of preparing and submitting the tax return. Click Edit Form in the section Edit Trust and Estates Form. Scroll down to begin entering your data. HMRC provides notes, which give further information and which are available at the top of each section. Click on a box to see more information from Ftax about what is required. Use Select Sections in the vertical menu bar to the left of the form to add or remove sections. Some sections will allow you to have multiple copies. These are indicated with an Add New button. Questions 1 to 23 will be completed for you. Pay particular attention to the tick boxes in question 8, as these will affect your tax liability calculation. Please read the HMRC notes on this and tick one of 8.2, 8.4 and 8.16, or choose to tick none of them. You are advised to select carefully, as significant differences in your tax liability will occur depending on your choice. To save your progress, click the Save button on the menu bar. Any errors or omissions in the form will be highlighted in yellow. Click Return to Form to see these errors. When you have finished entering your data, save the form and click Back to Overview. Scroll down to the Tax Calculation section. The form will have calculated your tax liability. Click Confirm, and this will enable you to see the tax calculation overview and the calculation breakdown. These are downloaded and saved on your own computer. A PDF copy can be downloaded if necessary. This will include an IR mark, which will remain unchanged when the form is submitted, provided no changes have been made to the form. Please note that the payment summary is an estimate. For a definitive guide as to how much tax is owed, you should wait 5 days after submitting the Ftax SA900 and then log in to your HMRC account and check. If additional information is necessary, this may be attached as a PDF. To attach a PDF, go to the Edit Trust and Estates Form section, click Edit Form, and then click Attachments on the menu bar. Browse to the file which you need and attach it. Finally, submit the form to HMRC. Go to the Submit section at the bottom of the overview, enter the Trust's HMRC user ID and password, and agree with the Ftax declaration. If you are an agent and have the agreement of your client, click Agreed by Client. The Submit button will now become available. An on-screen receipt will confirm successful submission, and then 2 emails will be sent, one from the Ftax service and one from HMRC. If you have already submitted and have received an email confirming successful submission and now wish to make an amendment, click the Submit as Amendment box before submission. Please be aware that if you have received an error receipt, you should not click Submit as Amendment until you have received notification of a successful submission.